Alright, we are live here for break number 350. This is a baseball mixer. 2016 Panini Pantheon, 2016 Topps Museum Collection, and 2016 Topps Triple Threads. All baseball. Good boxes here. Let me get the video posted, and we'll wait a second for people to show up. Alright, one trade, one sale. Where is it? That's what I got for your teams. If anything is different, let me know. Sorry, we're running a little bit late. We had a baseball practice, and the boys needed a good practice, so we ran a little later than I'd planned. Wore out this old guy. I can't keep up with the boys anymore. What's going on, Ken? How are you, Jamie? Let me bring these teams over to the post. These updated teams anyway. Alright, where did the video go? Excuse me. I'm sorry. What's going on, Austin? Hey, Dustin. 2016 mixer here. I see 16 of you, so I think we're ready to go. Diff, you bought White Sox. Okay. Jared Knight anywhere to confirm that? Not that I don't believe you, I just like a confirmation so that somebody can't say anything later. What's going on, Jeff Courtney and Jeff Davis? Jared Knight, are you in here? Can you confirm that, Sil? I don't see you in here yet. I just like the confirmation just so that nothing comes back saying, no, I didn't sell them, something like that. Not that either of you would, but someday somebody might. So I like to cover my base there. Let me go see if I can confirm that. Okay, I see Jared say you got it. Let's get ripping. Alright, got it, Jared. Yeah, Brandon, we'll have some more breaks after this one. I need to eat some dinner. I just got home. Alright, let me update this. White Sox to Jeff Davis. Let me update the main post before I forget. If I don't, I could sort wrong. White Sox to Jeff Davis. Got it. Now, that is your updated teams list right here. If anything is wrong on that team's list, I need to know. So with that, Let's get breaking. I'm going to break Pantheon first. I feel like that's the weakest of the three. It was the cheapest. Technically, Topps Museum is more expensive than Triple Threads, but I know some people just love Triple Threads. Best 3 out of 5. Next people to vote. Vote on the second box. What do we open second? Triple Threads or Museum Club? Let me know. This one's Pantheon. Good luck, everybody. This one has 8 hits. One of these little mini boxes. Triple Thread second, says Jeff Courtney. Triple Thread second, says Mark. One more vote for, there it is. Triple Threads will be second. That means we'll open Museum Collection last. Alright, let me get these Pantheon cards out. Alright, first card. Right here. Is Rafael Palmeiro for the Rangers. 1500 Home Run Club relic. That one going to go to Nathan Chipley. Nathan, welcome to the breaks. You get the first hit. How about that for beginner's luck? 174 out of 199 on this Palmeiro card. Is the video not popping up? The video's popping up on my screen, but then I'm looking at it and I see the other screen's not showing the video. You see it. Let me hit refresh. Well, if somebody sees it, then there. Okay, there it is. I say hit refresh, Steve. If everybody else sees it, there's not much I can do to help you there. Second card is this die cut, cool looking patch, Todd Helton for the Colorado Rockies. That one gonna go to Jeff Courtney. This Todd Helton is numbered 9 out of 10. Nice low numbered relic there. Got a pretty sweet patch there. I'm not identifying. You can see a little black on the outside, big black stripe in the middle. Nice card.
No. Stop it.
It's with this top loader. These cards usually fit in this size.
Go.
This doesn't make any sense. Let's go size up. There we go. Alright, third card out. This one, Rudarius Roberto Alomar. And it's not saying a team on the card. Number 12 out of 25. Taking the air out of opponents while leaving fans breathless as well. Alomar was a maestro. Helped the 93 to help Toronto win its second title. Lists Toronto on the back of the card. Does look like a Blue Jays jersey. So this one is going to the Toronto Blue Jays, Jeff Courtney. Roberto Alomar Bat Relic. Alomar is number 12 out of 25. Did Alomar bounce around? I thought he had multiple teams. Next one out, Frank Robinson for the Baltimore Orioles, Bat Relic 500 Home Run Club. This one going to go to Mike Goff. Number 1 out of 49 on that one. Next one, on-card autograph, Al Oliver for the Pittsburgh Pirates, Milestone Scripts. That's a cool card. For the Pirates, that one will go to a Pirates fan, Jeff Courtney. Didn't have to trade for him this time, huh? Oh, that's nice. Look at that top loader. Get out of here. This Al Oliver, numbered 74 out of 99.
Stop it. Eat. You don't need any food.
Next one is a relic and auto of Jim Rice. This one numbered 17 out of 25 for the Boston Red Sox. That one going to go to Jeff Courtney. Make it 4 in a row for you. Nice run in Pantheon. That card's pretty thick. It's the big boy top loader. Ken, I haven't even had time to sit down and open the package, so no, I have not. Del Murphy for the Atlanta Braves. That's a nice card there. Noble Timber. Bat Relic and an autograph. That one's going to go to Danny Delfendahl. Christopher, yeah, I'm going to have some more breaks tonight after this one. I just got home from a baseball practice. Del Murphy here is number 19 out of 25. I'm liking this Pantheon product. Last car, that's a pretty big one right there. Home run relic of Mark McGwire for the St. Louis Cardinals. Relic and an autograph. I'm going to go to Tony Leslie. Low numbered there. 5 out of 5. Very nice card. How was practice? Tiring. That's how it was. I'm worn out.
Stop it.
Arms hurt. Nice McGuire there for you, Tony Leslie. We did have a Blue Jay hit. That was Pantheon. We had a McGuire or a Roberto Alomar relic for the Blue Jays. All right, you guys voted on Triple Thread second, so we'll crack that one open. Let's go for this left side first. Favorite player is Alomar, huh? Alright, Triple Threads comes with 7 cards per mini box. 2 hits per mini box. 14 and 4 total. Man, he is a whiner tonight. What's his problem over there? Huh? It's Wednesday? What does that mean? Just another day of dating. First card out, Lorenzo Cain for the Royals is numbered 109 out of 340.
Stop it. You threw everything on the floor.
That one going to go to Chuck Wigsman. Next card is Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs, number 94 out of 150. That one will go to Mark Serlin. We're going to flip these cards, save the hits till the end. Next base card for the White Sox is Jose Abreu. That one I'm going to go to Jeff Davis. Freddie Freeman for the Braves. We'll go to Danny Delfendahl. And for the Rangers, Prince Fielder. Going to Nathan Chipley. First hit out of Triple Threads is a triple relic number 2 out of 9 of Carlos Martinez. Pretty looking patches. 4 different colors on the card. 3 in the middle by itself. Tsunami is what it spells out. That one for the St. Louis Cardinals will go to Tony Leslie. 1,400 different Alomars, huh? That's a big number. And last hit of the first mini box, Cole Calhoun, patch autograph, numbered 64 out of 99. For the Los Angeles Angels, we'll go to David James. I don't know what I did to my left arm, but it is weak. I wonder if it was just catching. We had 3 coaches catching indoors tonight because it was wet. And we had 9 kids at practice, so 3 lines of 3. They'd pitch one, they'd send them a grounder back, and they'd go to the next line. Just keep rotating. They had 3 different pitching stations. Every kid probably threw 35, 40 pitches. Probably 100 per coach, 120 maybe. 120 pitches per coach, not per kid. And to rip. Scissor you. Mike, yeah, you made a hit. Who you got, Mike? Mike Goff, Baltimore Orioles. What'd you get? Out of Pantheon, you got a Frank Robinson bat relic. Numbered out of 49. 1 out of 49. How often do I break myself, Tim? Not very often at all. Yasiel Puig for the Dodgers is the first card out. Base card. I used to do blasters a lot, but since I've been opening these, I just haven't had a lot of urge, really. Are you talking about buying into other people's breaks? I do that every once in a while. Johnny Cueto for the Giants is next. That one going to go to Dustin Franco. And the other base is Trevor Story, rookie for the Rockies. We'll go to Jeff Courtney. I don't know how Trevor Story's doing anymore, but rookie base out of Triple Threads, you get a top loader. Why not? All right, the two numbered ones. First one is Honest Wagner, number 49 out of 150. That is with the Pittsburgh Pirates. We'll go to Jeff Courtney. Reds, I don't think I've had a Reds card yet, Shannon. Top loader for numbered card. And the last non-hit, this is Hunter Pence for the Giants. Number 172 out of 340. Going to Dustin Franco. Tim, yeah, I do. I get jealous. But the thing is, when I used to break my own boxes, I'd pull the cards, and then I'd put them in a box, store them away, and not see them again. So I don't really totally get the feeling that they're not my cards, because I kind of do the same thing. I put them away, and I ship them out. I just don't see them again. Kind of like breaking. Josh Harrison for the Pirates. This one numbered 6 out of 36. A relic going to the Pirates fan. Jeff Courtney. And then when I am breaking, if I do see a sweet Royals card or Chiefs card, sometimes I'll offer to buy it, and or former KU player. And some of the times they do sell it to me, so I do get some of the cards. That last card looks really pretty. I can't tell who it is from back here. Who is this? Oh, it is one I'd like to try to buy. ALCS MVP Alcides Escobar for the Royals. Yeah, this is prettier than the other one. We just shipped one out to Dustin Patton. He's a Royals fan, so I couldn't even try to buy it off of him. This one, number 3 out of 9, going to Chuck Wigsman.
I want to see it, but I don't want to be
Well,
that is pretty.
I'll get this back in a second here. My wife wants to peek at it. She is a...
I don't want to touch it. That's beautiful.
That's a pretty card. Four out of 5 on the DL. Yuck. Made it back to 500. Good for you guys. Alright, that was Triple Threads. About to open up museum collection. Ooh, boy. The Royals lost 12-1. At least they took the series from the Rays. Took first 2 out of 3. I think that's the whole series. I didn't look. Alright, museum collection has 4 mini boxes, 1 hit per mini box, 5 cards per mini box, 20 cards total. Dada? Is that a Dada? Day Day, I'm over here. No, that's Mama.
Sounds like
999. All right, first mini box coming out of Museum collection. Alright, first card is Byron Buxton for the Minnesota Twins, going to Jason Rydens. And we'll just pull out the hit now. It's a pretty card right there. Look at those patches. Camo with the blue and orange. There's like 5 different colors on those patches. Steven Matz for the Mets. Signature swatches. That one's going to go to Jamie Garza. Jamie, you here? I need a boom.
What?
3 out of 5 on that one. Local card shop sells those packs for $60 a pack. 2016, 6 packs per box. I'm talking about 6 packs per box. It's only 4 packs per box in this one. Museum collection. Roberto Clemente is the next one for the Pirates. Number 76 out of 99. Going to Jeff Courtney. Also for the Pirates, Andrew McCutchen. Going to Jeff Courtney. And also for the Pirates, Starling Marte. Going to Jeff Courtney. Pirates hot box, except for the hit. What Topps has 6 packs in it? It's 2016. Topps Tribute, maybe, Mike. Yeah, I believe Topps Tribute has 6 packs. Every one of them has a hit in it. And it's less than $250. So $60 per pack, $360 a box. That's pretty darn high. I would think on that one, you shouldn't be paying more than $45 or $50 per pack. And that's even still a little high. $40 per pack. Actually, $40 per pack would almost be a little bit high. I think they're running about $225, $230 now. The 2016 version. Maybe even a little less if you get a good deal. There have been a lot of Pirates in this league overall. First card out of second mini. We're going to put the hit on bottom. Is Canvas Collection for the Giants, Buster Posey. Nice card. I don't know the rareness. I know these come 1 per box. But these fit into 59. That's too tight. This Canvas Collection card is going to go to Dustin Franco. And the next base is Jake Arrieta for the Cubs. I want to go to Mark Serlin. Next one for the Mets, Noah Syndergaard. I'm going to go to Jamie Garza. And last base out of this one is David Price, gold version for the Red Sox. I don't feel like I've called the Red Sox yet. I'm going to Jeff Courtney. Last card out of this one is for the Atlanta Braves. Thank goodness it's not Hector Oliveira. This one, Julio Teheran. Nice looking patch there. What's with that off color there? It's an odd color there going with the patch. 3 different colors on it. Cool looking patch. Number 33 out of 50 for the Atlanta Braves will go to Danny Delfendal. Pup dog, quit causing trouble. Some local card shops will really rip you off. Mine, my card shop, like, he talks to me about the prices. And the prices on boxes will change. Like, they'll release at a certain price. Like Pantheon, for example. I think Pantheon released at like $300. And people didn't want it for $300. They don't like it for $300, but it dropped like around $160, $170 now. For that price, I think it's a pretty good product. But when the card shop buys those products early on, they don't like to mark them down. Then they lose money. Alright, put that hit on the bottom. First card is Colton Wong for the Cardinals. Yeah, and if you have one and they have no competition, they can get away with it a lot easier. For the Cardinals, that one will go to Tony Leslie. Next one, Carlos Martinez, also for the Cardinals, will go to Tony Leslie. I might have to pick up more Pantheon. I got 1 box left from the 4-box case that I picked up. Next for the Blue Jays, Josh Donaldson will go to Jeff Courtney. Last non-hit out of this mini is Rougned Odor for the Rangers, numbered 163 out of 199. That one going to Nathan Chipley. 2.5 hours away, Jeff. Wow. It's quite the drive. I don't like how far mine is away, and it's about a 25-minute drive. 20, 25 minutes. Also live in good-sized city, Kansas City. And the next hit is, well, that's a name you don't see a lot, an on-card autograph of Ryan Klesko for the Atlanta Braves. And this one has a little, like, printing streak on it. It's right there on Klesko. There is a, God, I can't even catch the angle now. There it is. It's a little stripe right there. It's not bad. We had a Met. Did you see your Steven Matz, Jamie? It's a cool Ryan Klesko here, numbered 73 out of 299. We'll go to Danny Delfendal. Yeah, that's a sweet Matz. There it is, Jamie. Beautiful patches. 3 out of 5. I was asking where the boom was when it came out, and I didn't get your boom. My last mini box, last hit, last 5 cards. There's the boom. Destroy that pack. Alright, let me flip. For the Angels, Mike Trout. Base card going to David James. David Price of the Red Sox will go to Jeff Courtney. And I just went on pin sleeves. Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays. Going to Jeff Courtney. Jeff, you didn't have a crazy number of teams this break, just 4. You've gotten a lot of cards. Jacoby Ellsbury, Yankees. Going to Danny Delfendal. I believe that's the first Yankee we've had. Kind of surprising. And the last hit of the break is Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Primary pieces, quad patch, numbered 18 out of 99. Nice card. Going to Jamie Garza. All hit. Wow, that's impressive. Good break for you, Jeff. This one is a boom for Jamie. And that one looks hard to judge. Yeah, 180. Not one Indian. That's never fun. Alright, that wraps it up for that mixer. Some good cards. Mets, Jacob deGrom. Mets, Steven Matz. Beautiful triple patch autograph. Royals, Alcides Escobar. Pirates, Josh. Get off my hand. Josh Harrison. So Ohio blanked them. Cincinnati and Cleveland. It's going to happen sometimes. Atlanta Braves, Ryan Kolesko. And for the Braves, Julio Teheran, triple colored patch. And if you would have traded for the Cardinals, who knows? Maybe the Giants would have had like a huge Barry Bonds autograph. Never know. Somebody once said, if you're in a slump, Carlos Martinez for the Cardinals, if you're in a slump to never trade. I don't remember who said that. But it's all kind of random. Some teams are better than others. Mark McGwire, very cool card. That one, him and Steven Matz might be considered the hit of the break. Number 5 out of 5. What's he got in his mouth, Jimmy? What's he got in his hand there? Del Murphy, there's another good one for the Braves. Patch autograph. Jim Rice, a Red Sox. Yeah, we did have a Red Sox earlier. I was thinking we hadn't called them. Put your name back in the card holder box, huh? You're out of it? I had to do that with a few people. That's what I use for the separators there. Put a note card in a top loader. They hold up pretty well. That was Al Oliver for Pittsburgh. Baltimore, Frank Robinson. Roberto Alomar, Blue Jays. Get out of here, dog. Quit begging. Colorado Rockies, Todd Helton. And back to the first hit, Rafael Palmeiro for the Texas Rangers. Alright guys, what, 9:45? They're getting late quick. What the heck got on that card? Alright, that was the baseball mixer. Congrats to those that hit. Why are these team bags? I don't know what is with these team bags that they gather air. They're very hard to stack. You got some non-hits going out there, along with some hits. Get those sorted to you guys. And boxed up, ready to ship when you're ready. Alright, I'll have a post up for, I don't even know what. I'm worn out. I'll have something up here soon. And see you guys later on or sometime.